Experience Malaya. Welcome to our newest project here at Pililla, Rizal, an 8 hectares residential farm lot located at Barangay Malaya, Pililla, Rizal, an abandoned community that is along Barangay Road and a few steps away from National Highway. You will be fascinated by the overlooking view of Laguna Lake as well as the scenic mountain sites. You may also witness the very relaxing cool breeze of nature. If you are looking for a place to live in, this is the perfect place for you. Call us now and avail our promo because we love to build your foundation.